consideration is for the customer. It's just making sure that we're going to give them the right advice. And if they're on solid ground, they're going to come back and make more investments. And that kind of relationship, it's a business relationship. It's not about selling equipment. It's about being there for the long haul. And most of our customers are friends and colleagues.
So we've just entered 2019, which is actually YPS's 10th year of trading, so really exciting times. We've also extended our demonstration room, so we now have a textile area so that we can also showcase solvent, industrial and the textile. So with the Creative Centre, what we really want to do, the whole aim of it is to inspire our customers. We do really encourage customers to come in, play around with the machine, show them what's new in terms of technology and application.
Digital technology has revolutionised how people get to market, innovators, designers. There isn't any restrictions anymore. It's a really, really exciting time.
One of my things I've always been interested in is printing your own fabric. For me, it's not just looking through pattern books, it's having a vision in your head and printing. You know, we're breeding a lot of upholsterers here, but what also we're breeding is now creativity.
The technology, even in the last 2 years, has just come on unbelievable amounts. So the idea now that you can sort of have an idea and you can sort of go and print off your idea and it's there and you can put it on a chair or put it on a sofa. It's just meant that there are literally no boundaries now. you can print out whatever you want, all sorts of different types of materials as well.
So we decided to look at digital printing, and we were looking around for different digital printing companies, the suppliers, and we came across YPS. One thing that really stuck out from us was a big company, but delivering a real personal service. But what we've now developed with them is more of a working relationship. So if we need advice or anything, they've got an amazing team. We've done various print shows with them, and from there on in, I can only see our relationship getting stronger.
So our customer service is really important to us. If we're putting more machines out there, we've got to make sure that we're able to support them, both from customer service and actually technically serviced as well. So we already offered extended warranties, and now we've put on the long-term service agreement so that we're being a bit more proactive rather than reacting to someone's machine breaking down. We can normally pre-warn the customer if something's looking a little bit tired, so we can get in there early.
Every printer goes out with a QR code on it. So when an engineer visits site, they can scan that, and then that gives them all the history also of every job that's ever been done on that printer. What it also gives is a customer on site, rather than having to phone us and wait for callbacks and things like that, they can scan it, it brings up a page, they can enter their problem, submit it, they can even click on a button, it'll direct them straight through the service department, and we can react to it straight away.
We can probably see any trouble before it happens, reduces downtime, increases uptime, and that's more money in the customer's pocket. So that's a very proactive approach. It's a great collaboration and it works very well for the customers, and it's about being there for the long haul.